How to add the Made with AI label in Facebook. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to add the Made with AI label in Facebook. This label lets people know your content, whether it's a photo or video, was created with the help of artificial intelligence tools. It's all about being upfront and honest. So, to add the Made with AI label in Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your feed. Tap the Photo Video button and choose the AI-generated content you want to share. If it's text, simply paste it into the caption area. Customize your post. Add a caption, tag friends, and make any other adjustments. Now, look for the AI label option above your content, then tap on it. A pop-up will appear. Toggle the switch on next to Label as Made with AI. Tap Next, then tap Post to share your content with the Made with AI label displayed. That's all. Now your viewers will know your content was created with the help of AI. And this is how to add the Made with AI label. In Facebook, by adding this label, you're being transparent with your audience and showing them the power of AI creativity. If you have any questions about Made with AI label in Facebook, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.